Good morning. So today we're gonna go ahead and start painting, and hopefully this will be an easy day for us. I really don't like painting, but it's time to go. Or should I say go time? It's go time? I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying out these lighting conditions because we still don't have proper lighting in the house, so I want to make sure that this is good. Rafael's doing his puzzle.
Yeah, I'm already almost done.
And our room makeover has taken a good start. Wow, this looks like a different room if I film here.
I won!
Alright, so this is our office, and what it is basically two identical monitors. Kind of identical setup on both, one set of speakers. These are the chairs. And we have...
Oh.
Anyway, it's pretty good. Got these two desks, and I'll show you how it looks from the outside because there's not enough room to show you everything. Can't really get it from the outside either, because you don't see through those windows.
I don't really like talking about myself.
Andrea's learning how iPhones work. But yeah, that's it. Hey, Abigail.
Hey, watch it. 5.
Here at 2 to 3 for you today.
Alright, that sounds great.
Alright, so he'll be there. You'll have a gig of service. Please ask him all the questions you need so that
Okay.
we can make sure that when we leave, you'll be taken care of and you enjoy your services. You guys
Honestly,
been in
yeah.
without internet for over a week.
I know, I can't live. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for your help. Starting to take the wallpaper down. Look at that.
See you soon.
My daddy!
Abigail said the same thing.
Yeah. With the same claws,
Taking
right?
turns.
It's gonna look good with the wallpaper down. I gotta wet it. It's really stuck on there.
I get more spaghetti. Oh, now it's spaghetti.
That's it? You're tired? Are you tired? Alright, there's your food. Look at this nice mid-century setting. Hey,
Sure.
phone call.
A phone call?
Hello? Yeah, one second. Spectrum.
Hello.
But that one, kids. Watch it, it's hot.
Yes, well,
Blow on it.
it's fine. Yeah, but you can have.
All our children are bundled up. Got the one painting in her painting place. The one taking a shower. And we have a learner. You learning, Rafael?
Maze, yeah.
What you learning?
How to do a maze.
Kitty really doesn't like that sound.
This is actually the sound that we make for Kitty to stop doing something. Because we sprayed her before, and then after that we didn't have to spray her, we just made the sound.
Who's best? Guess which one is the right puzzle piece? Guess which puzzle piece? A, B, or C?
See? I don't do guessing games. You working on the wall?
Yeah.
On the wall. Hey.
Did a good job. This is about 10 minutes in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Only about another hour and a half. I don't have the right tool, but I figured the time it'll take for me to go find the tool and come back and start doing this, I could probably already have it done. So I'm
Get
just
it on
gonna
my
do it.
hand. Get the spray bottle on my hand.
I keep giving you Kitty updates because she really is just so happy. so happy.
Yeah, Daddy's making some good lighting in here. We have like no lighting in this room at all. There's a ceiling fan, no light kit, but we're making do. We went and got some pizza delivery. So we didn't go and get it. It was brought to us. We have been really painting, removing wallpaper. Ooh, pepperoni, yeah. Here, film that, Daddy.
Pizza! Pizza! Yay! Pizza! Pizza! Pizza time to eat it. Pizza time to eat
This
it.
is our first pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni? Really?
Yeah, put some paper in it. Are you happy with that? Are you happy with pizza?
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Are you happy with pizza?
Definitely, I suggested it.
Hey, so it's afternoon, and here's the progress we've made. We have the hallway, everything covered here. That's the color we picked. It's gonna look better later. It's Sahara dust.
Sahara sands.
Yeah. And it doesn't really look like sand, but it's getting there. This is the wall we had the wallpaper on before. As you can see, we had to clean it up really thoroughly. So even now, it's not looking terribly great, but yeah, it's gonna get there.
Yeah, it'll get there.
And here's the other wall.
We'll put 2 coats on it. And my mom came over, and my dad, and they went today to get some lumber to make the fence. So they're gonna finish the fence very soon, so the kids can go outside and be safe.
So, you know what kind of food we're having?
Raisins with what's going? It's green. Peanut butter and what else?
Celery.
Celery.
So, what does that make?
Oh, yummy.
Ants on a log.
It goes sweet.
Abigail, do you like it?
Yeah, me too.
Kids with celery.
Yeah, like this.
You love it?
Yeah, this. Oh.
Thumbs up for mommy?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the final product of the day. All of that. All of this. And of course you can't see it, and it's at night, and I know it's really bad, but that looks so much better. So much better. There too. Mommy's back there, if you can see her. She's out of it. Been working all day. Hey guys, so we're wrapping it for tonight. It's been a really long day. I think we worked on this, I'd like to say about 12 hours straight without stopping basically. We even ordered a pizza so we don't have to mess around with all that. The fridge has been moved. everything in this house so far has been moved to accommodate for our painting. I gotta say, I like it. We probably still need to do another coat. We've done 2 coats on most of everything that we did paint. And there are a little bit of spots here and there that we have to fix. But I'd like to say that it looks pretty good. I'd also like to say thank you for everyone for supporting us in the move, before the move, and still supporting us afterwards. We don't have a lot of time to deal with social, just basic editing, looking around on Instagram, Facebook a little bit, but that's it, since we have so much to do. So if you can bear with us, and we're just going to be a little less active, so to speak, on the social networks, but we're still going to have a vlog up every day probably, and we're still here. So thanks everyone for supporting us, and I'll see you tomorrow. She done.
Okay, so it's really foggy out here.
I thought they were really good.
All right, we got the tires on. 5 or 6 drawer dresser from 1942. I would pay $15 for it. Yeah. I'm in the Dollar Tree now.
Savings, I think. Why?
I loved it.